So today we are taking a look at the SmallRig Pro Mobile Cage, and this one specifically is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, so bear with me, this is my first official unboxing. Gotta get out the knife. That's not creepy. Alright, how you do this? I'm definitely making this way harder than it should be. Okay, so SmallRig, they give you a nice little case right here, and you got a little top handle, which is cool. And on the back here, you can see that they're showing you the recommended setup for your iPhone. So they have I think they have, yeah, a top handle. Look at that. They also sell a side handle for this, which is, I think that might be a little bit more handy, but and then they got the little mobile mic on there. Oh, fancy. Okay, there it is. Just got to get it out of this plastic. Oh yeah, this thing right here, that is nice. Look at that. And actually it is way lighter than I thought it was going to be, so that's great. Alright, so let's give you guys a tour of this thing. So at the top of the phone and the side right here, you have two cold shoe mounts, and then right here you have a button to unlock this so you can insert your phone. So it seems like it's really easy to use, and again, I can't really say it enough, but this thing is super light. And now I have these lens attachment areas right here that I can hook up my moment lenses to, so that's great. I can use those again. All right, here we go, moment of truth. It fits. All right, here it is, and that is with the blue version of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, that looks beautiful. I like that. So initially when I ordered this case, I was thinking maybe I could replace my standard Apple case with this and just kind of carry this around with me all day, but it's definitely way too big, and there's no way I'm getting this into my pockets. So this is something that you want to carry in your backpack or some other bag that you have with you, or just leave it in your car if you know that you're going to be going somewhere to do some vlogging, or if you need to set up a rig somewhere. Again, you're definitely not going to be able to fit this into your pocket, but if you have like some kind of like winter jacket, then it'll fit in there. So I definitely really like how the material right here is rubber. Overall, I think the build is really nice. All right, so I haven't actually confirmed if this will work, but I think it will. Let's try hooking up one of these moment lenses. And this is the macro. Yep, look at that. Fits perfectly. Yeah, this is the macro moment lens. And if you haven't checked out moment lenses yet, I definitely recommend them. Nowadays, it's a little bit harder to recommend moment lenses just because phones are coming out with multiple lenses on them. There's already an ultra wide angle and a standard wide angle and a telephoto, and the quality of the lenses in the phone are getting better and better. So paying an extra $100 or so per lens is it's like I said, it's a hard sell. That being said, I do think it's worth it for those who are looking for, you know, like the ultimate image quality that they can get with their phone. You know, the ultra wide and the telephoto lenses that come on the iPhone, even the newest iPhone, the 12 Pro Max, they're not going to be as good as if you hook up one of those, like the telephoto or the wide angle, to your standard lens on the iPhone, because the standard lens on this phone is the one that comes with the upgraded sensor that is bigger than the other sensors. So if you attach a nice lens to modify the focal length on the standard lens that has the better sensor, now you're getting the benefits of that image stabilized sensor and a really nice image quality too. So So that was my quick rant on moment lenses. Alright, so now let's check out how ridiculous this looks when you attach a microphone that's not meant for mobile video. Alright, so that's what we're working with right there. Look at that. So that is definitely not practical, but you know, sometimes you have to work with what you have. You can't always be spending. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video using this setup, so you can see what you could get just using an iPhone and a nice mic. And I'm gonna take off the macro lens because I'm not gonna vlog with that. That's it for today's video, but if you do get a chance, and if you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, check out that cage for that phone. It's pretty awesome. And if you go onto the SmallRig website, you'll see that they also sell like a top handle that's meant for the cage and a side handle too. So I didn't get those accessories, but I eventually might get that side handle. So alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk to you later.